In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Find My Phone on Poco C75. Go in Settings, scroll down, go in Google, tap on All Services, simply scroll down. Here you will find the Find My Device option. Tap on it. Tap on this toggle to enable the Find My Device. Now enter your screen lock PIN or password. As you can see, Find My Device is now enabled. If you scroll down, here you get some more options like Find Your Offline Devices. Here you get some options like Off, Without Network, With Network in High Traffic Areas, With Network in All Areas. So I will simply select Without Network. Now I will simply go back. Here you get turn on device location option. So simply tap on location settings. Tap on this toggle to enable the location. Now go back. So this is it to set up the Find My Phone on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.